highly qualified instructors would ensure that the me again for being here and to take part in this great event, and I hope you all.
Glad to do the next.
Hi, good morning to all of you. Thank you so much for. Normally, for a customer, what we do is we take them through a small presentation at audio. Sit too low, the only thing you can see is the speedometer, so you can drag to your floor. So you have to adjust it in such a way you have a bend in your elbow and you can have both hands on the steering wheel.
ഇവിടെ കവർ ഇത് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വരുന്നുണ്ടോ എത്ര പേര് വരുന്നുണ്ട്
A6 goes, only then follow the lead car, please. Sure.